Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about Bluetooth in Android. Uh, Among many ways, Bluetooth is a way to send or receive data between two different devices. Android platforms include support for the Bluetooth framework that allows a device to wirelessly exchange data between two devices we using the Bluetooth platform. Android provides a Bluetooth API to perform these different operations, uh, such as uh, such as scan for other Bluetooth devices, get a list of paired devices, connect to other devices through service discovery. Android provides a Bluetooth adapter class to communicate with Bluetooth. Create an object of this calling by calling the static method get default adapter. Its syntax is a private Bluetooth adapter ba is equal to Bluetooth adapter dot get default adapter. In order to enable the Bluetooth of your device, call the intent with the following Bluetooth constant action underscore request underscore enable. Its syntax is intent turn on is equal to new intent Bluetooth adapter dot action request enable. Start activity for result turn on comma 0. Apart from this constant, and there are other constants provided the API that supports different tasks. They are listed below. Action request discoverable. This constant is used to turn on discovering of Bluetooth. Action state changed. This constant will notify that the Bluetooth state has been changed. And finally, action underscore found. This constant is used to receive information about each devices that is discovered. Once you enable the Bluetooth, you can get a list of paired devices by calling get bonded devices method. Get bonded devices method. It returns a set of Bluetooth devices. Its syntax is private set Bluetooth devices greater than paired devices. Paired devices is equal to ba dot get bonded devices. Apart from the paired devices, there are other methods in the API gives more control over Bluetooth. They are listed below. They are enable. This method enables the adapter if not enabled. Is enabled. This method returns true if adapter is enabled. Disable. This method disables the adapter. Get name. This method returns the name of the Bluetooth adapter. Set name uh, within bracket string name. This method changes the Bluetooth name. It is used to change the string Bluetooth name using string method. And get state. This method returns the current state of the Bluetooth adapter, such as a pairing and pairing. Start discovery. This method starts the discovery process of the Bluetooth for 120 seconds. Now I want to provide a demonstration of Bluetooth adapter class to manipulate Bluetooth and show list of paired devices by the Bluetooth. To experiment with this example, we have to run this code on the actual device. Steps we have to follow. First step, we have to use Android Studio and then create an Android application a package.com example.myapplication. Then we have to modify source main activity .java file to add the code. Modify layout. Then we have to modify the layout XML file resources layout activity main.xml and add any GUI component if required. Step 4, We have to modify Android manifest.xml file to add necessary permissions. And the final step, we have to run the application and choose a running Android device and install the application on it and verify the results in each devices.
Now we have to see the coding part. Here is the content of src main activity.java. First, we have to import Android.app activity, Android, Bluetooth adapter, Bluetooth device, uh, such as intent bundle view, array adapter, button list view, toast array list set, etc. Then we have to extend the activity, such as a public class main activity extends activity. Then we have to define the buttons, uh, such as four button. We are using four buttons, such as B1, B2, B3, B4. Then we have to declare private Bluetooth, declare Bluetooth adapter, such as a private Bluetooth adapter BA. Then private set Bluetooth device paired devices, declaring paired devices in such that manner. List view LV as LV. Um, then we have to write some similar coding parts, such as a protected void on create bundle saved instance state, super on create saved instance state, then set content view or dot layout dot activity main. Then we have to view find view by, we have to use the find view by id format, um, such as b1 is equal to button find view by id or dot id dot button, such as b2 b3 b4. Then ba is equal to bluetooth adapter dot get default adapter. Then lv is equal to list view find view by id or dot id dot list view. We have to write some coding for that buttons. Uh, if you click that button, it will perform some function. So we have to use intent functions. Uh, Public while on view if Bluetooth adapter is enabled function. If we have to give the condition, such as if Bluetooth adapter is enabled, intent turn on new intent Bluetooth adapter dot action request enable start activity for results turn on. Then we have to make the post message, such as a get application. Uh, we have to make it. We have to post message such as, then Bluetooth adapter is already enabled. We have to get toast message, such as already on. Then we have to give for the off function, like a public void off view v. Then ba dot disable, and then the toast message such as turned off. Then we have to give a function for visible available devices, such as visible devices. Intent dot get visible is equal to new intent Bluetooth adapter action request discoverable start activity for results get visible 0. Then we have to write codes for the paired devices, and the already paired devices. Uh, Paired devices equal to ba dot get bonded devices. Array list is equal to new array list, because we can connect to so many Bluetooth devices. For Bluetooth devices, BT paired devices, list add Bluetooth dot git name, and then the toast message showing paired devices. It will show the paired devices we have. Then the final array adapter, for the paired devices. Final array adapter is equal to new array adapter this comma android dot or dot layout dot simple. Then the list view dot set adapter. Then the XML code for the activity. Then we have to write the XML code for the activity file. We have to write uh, we have to use a relative layout for the XML code for the Bluetooth device in Android Studio. Uh, then we have to write a text. we have to write XML code for the text view field, such as Android.text is equal to Bluetooth example, the Android layout with the wrap content, layout height wrap content, Android ID at ID at plus ID slash text view, text size, align parent top, and then center horizontal. Uh, and for similarly to other text fields, then for the image view, such as Android.layout with wrap content, layout height wrap content, Android ID is equal to at plus ID slash image view. Then we have to write the source where we got the image, such as Android.source is equal to addressable slash source location layout below is equal to below the text field. It will fix the image below the text field. Then the layout alignment center horizontal is equal to true. Then we have to write the example code for button Android.text is equal to turn on Android ID at plus ID by slash button. uh, uh, Layout below to start off true, left of Android clickable is equal to true, Android on click is equal to on. And for the list view part, Android ID is equal to at plus ID slash list view, layout with wrap content, layout height wrap content, alignment, we have to write the alignment and to other list view files. Then we have to close the relative layout part. Then we have to write the XML code for the string, such as a string name is equal to app name, my application, the application name. Here we can give Bluetooth slash, and then we have to close the string function. Then the Android manifest XML code. Then we have to write the Android manifest XML code. We have to first open the manifest XML in as Android http android.com package.com.example my application. Then users permission Android name, Android permission Bluetooth, users permission Android name, Android permission Bluetooth admin. This will ask permission to the user, ask permission from the user whether to turn on Bluetooth or not. Then application we have to always have the backup, so we have to give true. And icon launcher label string app name such as Bluetooth theme is equal to theme. We can give any style. Then activity name main activity label string app name Bluetooth. Then the intent filter action. This will perform the action of the Bluetooth action. Android name android.intent.action.main. Then we have to categories categorize the Bluetooth functions. So category Android name android.intent.category launcher. Then we have to close the intent filter. Then the activity function. Then then we have to close the activity function, application function, and lastly we have to close the manifest file. If we run our code, we have connected. If we run our application, we assume we have connected to a actual mobile device with our computer. If To run the app from Android Studio, open one of your project's activity files and click run icon from the toolbar. If the Bluetooth will not be turned on, then it will ask permission to enable the Bluetooth, like this. An app wants to turn Bluetooth on for this device. We also have options like a deny for rejection and allow for acceptation. Now just select the get visible button. To turn on visibility. The following screen would appear asking your permission turn on as discovery for 120 seconds. It will show your Bluetooth ID to to others for 120 seconds. Then we have to select the devices from listing. Then we have to select the device from the list. It will list down the paired devices in the list. I have only one paired device. It is shown below. That is mi phone. Now just select the turn off button to switch off the Bluetooth. Following message would appear when you switch off the Bluetooth, indicating the successful switching off of a Bluetooth. And then it is giving me opportunity to explain about and Bluetooth in Android Studio. Thank you.